Dear men, do you think it's really possible for your penis to be bigger, thicker, longer, without any surgery, without any medication, and without any pill? Do you think this can really happen? The answer is yes. It's 100% yes, this can happen. Someone might ask how. I'm sharing with you today tips on how to make this to happen. Welcome to Psychology Flow. All our content here are for educational purposes. So if you are new on our YouTube channel, please don't forget to subscribe and to turn on your notification bell. And to my returnee, this is Psychology Flow saying thank you and welcome back to our channels. Like I said, today we're going to be talking about tips on how to make your penis bigger and longer without surgery, without cream, and without medication, because a lot of men are scared of the side effect that comes with surgery and the side effect that comes with medications and the side effect that comes with pills when it comes on how to enlarge the penis. So today I'm here to share with you what you can do on your own, why at home, what you can do in order to make this to happen. The first one is to lose weight. If you are an overweight person, you will get to understand that your penis looks small, but not that it is actually small. This happens because a lot of fat layers covers the penis. The penis is not visible, but once you lose weight, it makes the penis to be visible and it makes it look longer and bigger. Number 2 point is juggling. This juggling helps draw blood to the penis, improving the circulation and also increasing the payment, increasing the penis, making it look longer than the way it is. Someone might ask, how is this juggling being done? This juggling requires you a lot of lubricant, and also it requires you to be midway. It requires you not to be too hard, and it requires you not to be done. It just requires you to be midway. And also, in this juggling, only two fingers are needed. What are the finger? The thumbs and the index finger. Make an O shape with your two fingers, which is this index and the thumb. Now let me show you how it's being done. Let's take it that this is your P-man. Yeah, let's take it that this is your P-man. When you pour a lot of lubricant on it, you make use of these two fingers. Please get it right that you're not meant to masturbate. You are not masturbating. Only these two fingers are needed. You start from the shaft, pull it up to the crown. You go again, pull it up to the crown. This needs to be constant. Yeah, this stroking needs to be constant. You don't have to do the first one and you relax before you do the another one. And it doesn't exceed 20 minutes. Just from the shaft to the crown of the penis. When you get to the crown, you relieve your hand and get back to the shaft and continue doing it for like 20 minutes. Another one is penis pump. This penis pump is an enlargement penis device that helps circulate blood also to the penis. And in order to make use of this pumping device, arousal is being needed, like sexual arousal is being needed to be maintained in order to do this. And this penis pump can also be known as vacuum pump. We have the fourth one is stay away from smoking. It has been proven that people who smoke have a low average of penis size, like they have low average of penis size, because smoking damages the blood vessels that supply blood to the penis. So this is why if you are a smoker, you have to quit smoking in order to make your penis bigger, longer, and thicker. Another one is penis ring. This penis ring is equally known as cock ring. Yeah, and it is being used to trap the blood in the erected penis. In this one, erection is needed, and also it is being extended for a period of time. And we have different types of this cock ring. We have three types of this cock ring. The first one is cock ring, the second one is peniscrotal ring, and the fourth one and the third one is testicle ring. But before you make use of this ring, you have to know the right ways to make use of these rings. These are the three rings we have under penis ring. We have the sixth one, eat healthily. Eating healthily equally helps you in your sexual life. Yeah, eating healthily also increase your penis. There are fruits that can help do that. Fruits like watermelon, dark chocolate, carrots, bananas, eggs, salmon, onions, honey, and chicken. These are fruits and food that can help increase the size of your penis. So this is all I have for us today on how to make your penis bigger, longer, and thicker without surgery, without cream, without medication, without pills. Just it's something you can just do at home. So I hope you find this video educative, and if you do, please don't forget to subscribe like I earlier said, and don't forget to turn on your notification bell, and please don't forget to leave this video without liking it. Like this video and share it to people so that it can go viral, so that men can see how they can do this on their own without surgery, without pills, without medication. So till my next video, this is Psychology Flow saying thank you and see you then. Bye.